First update in a minute. SpoolPerformance's ethanol content analyzer. Just need to remove all the engine bay plastics, etc. Install is pretty simple. So you're gonna have OEM line. If you're running the stock fuel pump, you're gonna have an OEM line going down here towards right here towards the low pressure fuel pump. So basically you remove the stock line, you're going to take the end with both push to connect fittings and you're going to push this fitting on over here. You also might have some sound deadening over there that you could remove to have better room to work with. Just going to click that on. Okay, now that's clicked on, you're going to go ahead, take the ethanol sensor itself. I'm going to click that over here into there, right there, clicked in. So this is from LPFP push to connect fitting to push to connect fitting to the ethanol sensor. Then you're going to have this last line. I'm going to push that onto the sensor. Your line may be longer if you don't have the fuel filter. So now, if you didn't have the fuel filter, this would connect directly to your fuel pump, aftermarket or OEM. There's a sensor. So this thread fitting would connect to the HPFP, but for me, I'm also running the fuel filter, so fuel filter is going to go into there, and then I'm going to have this line go to the HPFP. So for me, I'm going to go back to the right, throw the sound deadening back in. Okay, so fitting to the LPFP sensor, fuel filter to the fuel pump. So really simple and so